Gabriel. You may now take your seat. Miss De Castro, is there any absent this afternoon? Wow, perfect attendance. Okay, let's give yourself a mosquito clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Before we proceed, how are you? It's nice to hear. What we have discussed last meeting. Yes, Mr. Tito. Very good. Give Mr. Tito a wow magic clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow, magic. Okay, our discussion last meeting is all about the polynomials. Okay? As far as I remember, I give you an assignment. You have your assignment, class. Okay, kindly pass your assignment in front. Okay. Before we proceed to our topic, let me present to you our classroom rules. Okay, for our classroom rules, rule number 1, sit properly. And rule number 2 is raise your hand before you talk. And rule number 3 is listen to the teacher. And last rule number 4 is respect each other. Our classroom rules are clear? Okay, very good. Okay, are you ready to our next topic? Yes? Okay. We will be having our energizer. Who wants an energizer? Okay. I will present to you our instruction. So I will regroup you into 2 groups and you will choose to be your representative and you are going to play the quiz waza. Are you excited, class? Okay, very good. You have 5 minutes to choose your representative. For our group 1, we have Miss Johala and Mr. Billy. Okay, for our group 2, yes, Miss Joyce and Miss Rosella. Come in front. Okay, you are going to I will flash on the TV or I will present you on the TV the pictures and you are going to identify the given word. So the challenge to this activity is dapat same kayo ng magiging sagot. Are you familiar with impact nerves? Yes? If yes, okay, let's begin. Group 1 and Group 2. I will flash the first image. Okay, I will count in 3 and you are going to answer. Okay? Okay? All girls, please read our first objective. Okay. Boys, can you read our second objective? All together, please read our third objective. Alright. Are you excited, class? Okay. Let's have here a activity 2. An activity 2. It's called a location map. Okay. Are you excited, class? Okay. This will be a individual activity. First, I will give you the guide questions, so you have to identify the following places. First question is, what is the corner between Cortes Street and Rizal Street? What is the corner of Rizal Street and National Highway Street? And what is the corner of Cortes Street and National Highway Street? And for our letter B, identify the common or street common of the place. First one is, what is the common street of Layton's Residence and Barangay Health? What's the common street of Barangay Health and Barangay Hall? And what is the common street of Barangay Hall and Layton's Residence? So, you are going to rename those vertices. So we have to put here for Layton's Residence as letter A. This will be our letter A. This will be our letter. And our letter B is the Barangay Hall. And for our letter C is the Barangay Health Center. Okay. What is the name of the form triangle? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Giancarlo. Very good. The triangle form name A, B, and C. And what are the vertices of the triangles? Yes, Joseph? Okay, very good. The vertices of our triangles are A, B, and C. And for our third questions, what are the sides of the triangle? Line segment AB, line segment AC, and line segment BC, or the Cortes Street, the Rizal Street, and the National Highway Street. Okay, very good. Is there any questions, clarifications regarding our second activity? If none, let's proceed to our group activity. Yes, Miss De Leon, can you please read our instruction? Our instruction here. Okay, so I have here 4 round envelope, and it contains the materials that we needed. I have here a protractor, ruler, paper, and
Okay, class, what did you observe of our two triangles? Yes, Mr. Tito? Okay, very good. And for our next example, again, what did you observe of our two triangles? Okay. Yes, Mr. JP? Very good. So, class, do you have any clarifications or any question about our discussion? If none, let's have our activity. Please get a one full sheet of paper and answer this. Okay, class, I will give you 5 minutes to answer our activity. Class, are you done? Okay, continue. Okay, class, are you done? Who wants to answer number 1 and explain in front? Yes, Miss Donna? Okay, very good. Let's give Miss Donna a round of applause. Okay, for number 2, who wants to answer and explain? Yes, Miss Abby? Okay, very good. Let's give Abby a round of applause. Okay, class. For our last activity, this will be a group activity. And for your group, this will be group 1 and this will be the group 2. Please read our direction, number 1. And for your group grades, class, eyes on the board. Okay, appropriateness and creativity. 4 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. Same as our explanation and understanding of content. 4 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. I will give you 5 minutes to do your activity and start. Okay, class, are you done? If that's so, please arrange your chairs properly and go back to your proper seat. Group 1, please present your work. Okay, class. As you can see, they use the 2 house with a triangle roof, which is AB, so it's congruent to EF, and line AC is equal to line EG, and line segment AB is equal to line segment GF. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFG. Okay, very good. Group 1. Okay, class. Do you have any question for our lesson for today? Any clarification? None. Okay. If board, please. Okay. I will be distributing this and please read the directions carefully. That one at pass. I will give you 2 minutes to answer. Okay. Are you done? Okay, continue. Sino magsasagot pa? Okay. Are you done, class? Exchange your papers with your seatmate. Who wants to answer number 1? Yes? Mr. Tito? Very good. Number 2, Miss Mildred? Very good. And for number 3? Yes, Miss Aubrey? Okay, very good. And for number 4? Yes, Mr. JP? And for our last number? Yes, Mr. Asi? Okay, very good. Class, who got the perfect score? Okay, and 4? And 3, 2, 1. Okay, pass your quiz in front. Okay, class, again, do you have any clarifications or questions regarding to our topic for today? Wala na po. Okay.